Hello, and welcome to the 10ticks YouTube channel. This is your one-stop hub for all things 10ticks. 10ticks provides award-winning mathematical resources to schools in the UK and across the globe. These resources are produced with precision and care, covering the entirety of the UK Maths national curriculum. 10ticks have also adapted existing material for the Malaysian, Australian, South African and Indian curriculums, supplementing the existing worksheets with exciting brand new material. If you are after ready-made online worksheets, you have come to the right place. We have over 10,000 in our system, covering all year groups from reception through to year 11. These worksheets can be utilized in lots of different ways, from lesson starters to main tasks or even homework. And of course, all worksheets come with answers, simplifying lesson planning and marking. Or perhaps you want to improve the mental arithmetic capabilities of your students, and 10ticks Mental Maths has been designed to do just that. With a range of activities from timed tests to fun games, 10ticks Mental Maths provide everything you need to develop a class of multiplication masters. And the best part? It requires zero marking, allowing for instant and accurate feedback on the performance of your pupils. And that is 10ticks Explained. Be sure to check out our other videos for guides and tutorials on how to navigate our websites. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.